Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Lagos
Subscribe
government
to this
generally
channel
accepted that things
and
improved,
press
security got
like.
better, the economy
When
got
you
better, things got a
subscribe,
bit more
you'll be able
organized.
to get
But since your party has
notifications
been in
each time we
power,
post.
in charge of the whole
Okay?
country,
We love you guys.
insecurity has got worse, the economy hasn't been doing so well, and things are starting to look a bit more disorganized. I just wondered, why should Nigerians vote for you? And is that on the strength of what happens in Lagos, or on the strength of what your party has done with Nigeria?
I am Bola Ahmed. I'm not the party. One, my track record and capacity to speak for me, to document the history of my performance. Nigeria can vote across the country, which they want. Vote for the individual. Party is a symbol and a platform for you to decide where you belong. Uh, what is the ideology? What will a progressive party like ours stand for? I have the agenda well published, well articulated, and I've worked so hard visiting various states and public forum. I been effective in selling my program. I've worked more than any other politician in this country to show the capacity and what is necessary. The program is well articulated, well distributed, and I've met the people on one-to-one in town hall, in rallies, in individual focus groups, and others, being able to answer their questions. They've seen my track record in Lagos. Lagos is a nation by itself, I will say, and within the country. And I've performed exceedingly well. The record is there. Go and look at Lagos. You are in Lagos. Relate to the past. What had happened here before? We pick dead bodies on the road. We have rebels all over the place. We have a chaotic traffic system. We have, banditry, robbery, daytime and nighttime.